back.
First of all, we're all on this, and we are smushed in. Okay, we got that. This is our wonderful ride.
I hope we spin a flippin' lot.
I don't know.
Flippin' lot.
Guys, we're so heavy, I don't even...
God damn it, I'll make it spin.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Ow, it hurt my knee. Oh, that was really boring. No! Oh dear! Oh man! Oh boy! I just think it's funny because I'm spinning a lot. Oh boy! Oh god! Oh boy! There we go! Oh my ears! Oh god! Okay, I don't know what way we need to lean now. If you feel your butt vibrating, it's just like... or she's really sorry. She just... We're not spinning at all! If you feel your butt vibrating! It feels so funny even though we're not spinning at all! There we go! Oh, shit! Stupid! We should do this more often. Yeah. I feel real cozy. I know. Oh, shit. We can stay on because there's not a lot of people live. Can we stay on? Because I don't think we're going to be able to get out.